Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, my mom is going to show us how to make apple chundo. Chundo is like a relish, and this is an Indian relish, so it's sweet and sour and spicy, and it goes really well with curries. So let's get cooking. All right, Mom, so I've got one big cooking apple here.
Yeah. One onion.
One onion. Okay, so this is like a medium-sized onion.
Yeah.
And I've got a big clove of garlic. So you can use 2 normal-sized garlic cloves, or because I've got a large one here, we're just going to use 1. Yeah. And I've got about a half a teaspoon of minced up chilies, or you can use 2 to 3 green chilies depending on how spicy you like it. All right, Mum, tell me what to do.
Now we have to cut it.
Cut the apple?
Onion first.
Okay, let's cut the onion.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I've peeled the onion. So how do you want me to cut it?
Yeah. Chop it.
Just chop it?
Just chop it.
Generally?
Yeah.
Like this is good? Okay.
Yeah.
Because we're going to chop it up in the chopper, no?
Chopper it, that's right.
And then?
Then
the apple?
make 2 slices of...
cut the garlic, because mine is very big. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Peel the apple.
Let me wash it and then I'll
wash it and then...
Okay. Okay, so just take the skin off, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm going to use an apple, not an apple peeler, it's a potato peeler. Oh my gosh, these onions are strong.
Make you cry?
Yep, they're making me cry.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Nice apple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now make pieces.
Okay.
Yes. Now put a little salt there. So
you want salt and you just...
Yeah.
This is just so it doesn't go dark, no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, and we're going to put the green chili. So I've got about a half a teaspoon here, which is 1 to 2 green chilies, depending on how hot you like it. Okay, Mom, so I'm going to put jeeru.
1 teaspoon.
This is ground up cumin.
Yeah. Now salt.
Half a teaspoon. Okay.
Yeah. And the sugar.
Sugar.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Okay. So it's definitely sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Because the apple is very sour, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to chop it up in here in my chopper.
Yeah.
Still big chunks in there. Look.
So do it again.
Yeah, I need to keep going.
I think it's done now.
Me too. Yeah, it's good, no?
Yeah.
The texture's just right.
Yeah.
Okay,
now it's done.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
I'm going to taste it too.
Very nice. Perfect.
Oh, it's so good. The apple is tart and the sugar counteracts that, and there's just enough salt and cumin seeds in there. And I think when it sits, it will really marinate together nicely.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yummy. And Mum, how do you store this? Where do you keep it?
In the fridge?
In the fridge?
Yeah, in the fridge.
And how long does it last?
1 week.
Okay.
1-2 weeks.
Nice. It's
But taste is very nice. You can eat with the vegetable or kothor or anything.
Okay.
It tastes nice. I like your kachuri.
My kachori.
So nice and tasty and so soft.
The magni dani kachori.
Yeah, I like
God.
it. I always love that.
Oh, you like
It's very nice recipe.
That's my mother-in-law's recipe. My
Is it?
sasu. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh my God. Every time my mum comes over, she's always talking about my magni dani kachori. And if you guys haven't tried it, honestly, they are delicious. The pastry, the filling, everything is perfect. So definitely try that recipe out. I'm gonna put a link for that up here. So definitely watch that video and try that recipe. Nay, Mum?
You must. It's very nice. I love that.
She's advertising for me. So as I was transferring the chundo to my container, I found a big clump of garlic, and my mum was telling me that she uses this to blend it by hand and it all comes out even. Right, Mum?
Yeah.
So sometimes the old methods are the best methods, but if you don't have one of these, don't worry, you can definitely use your electric chopper and just use a garlic crush, which is what I normally do, but use a garlic crush and crush the garlic into the chopper and then blend everything up. I hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe of my mom's. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.
Thank you.